How to draw cute but angry cat. First of all, draw head line, draw ear, cute ear, left side and right side, triangle, cute ear, already cute. Next, draw inside ear and face, cute face, like a dumpling, right side and left side, slowly, perfecto. And then you draw body, little cute body, legs and the body. Cats have a tail, so draw a tail, cute tail. And then hands. Angry cat will like these. Hands, on hands, hang. And then draw inside face. Angry cat, so angry mouth. Maybe like this. And the eyebrow. Uppercut angry eyebrow. And eye. Angry eyes. Left side and right side. And the line tick. Also tick in tail. And the head. Tick. Finish. Maybe add this so it will be more cute. And yeah. Finish. Thank you for watching.